Alright, look at this. Look at these bushings here on an EZGO TXT. Oh, there we go, look at that. This is what we mean by when you need bushings. Because you got this going on, but you don't know it because it's usually on the ground and under pressure here, so it stays locked. But when you hit your brakes, you can see your axle and brake cables have some play to them. And some models, this will actually cause the brakes to lock up instantly, or yeah, mostly just lock up in place. You start to apply the brakes and then it just grabs really hard. It can often be because of the play on the bushings, but you can see there's nothing left, and we don't want all that play there. This is the back part of the leaf springs, and it's also the front. Kind of hard to show that, but they're completely lost. So you got it almost maybe about an inch of play altogether. And when you pull the brake cables, it puts tension on the axle, and these leaf springs kind of dictate the distance of the axle and the brake cables and all that. So that can cause issues. But in most cases on this one, the brakes still slightly function. But it's just, you can hear all this clanking going on when you do apply the brakes. So important to keep that up, and don't buy cheap bushings because they're made out of plastic and they suck.